Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I hope that you have watched the previous lesson and you have revised the things that we have learned in that lesson. Now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn some vocabulary words. Let's learn to say when. When we ask a question and we say when something is happening, we use the word when. And in Urdu it is kab, kab, kab. When, kab. So in English we say when, and in Urdu kab. Then in English we say come, come, and in Urdu आओ, आओ. Come, आओ. Then in English we say go, go, and in Urdu जाओ, जाओ. Go, जाओ. So come is आओ and go is जाओ. Then in English we say again, again. And in Urdu it is दोबारा, दोबारा, दोबारा. Again, दोबारा. Now let's repeat all of these words again. Let's repeat all of these words. दोबारा. Again is दोबारा, right? Okay, so in English we say when, and in Urdu कब, कब. Then in English we say come, come, and in Urdu आओ. Then in English we say go, go, and in Urdu it is जाओ, जाओ. Then in English we say again, and in Urdu दोबारा, दोबारा. Repeat all of these words many times for better practice. Alright, now let's learn to say where are you? We have already learned this. Let's revise it, alright? So in English we ask and say where are you? And in Urdu it is आप कहाँ हो? आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? आप कहाँ हो? We reply and say I'm here. I'm here. And in Urdu it is मैं यहाँ हूँ. मैं यहाँ हूँ. I am here. मैं यहाँ हूँ. Or if you want to tell specifically that you are in some special place, some specific place, then you can always replace here with the name of that place. Alright? For example, you're in the kitchen. So you are going to say, I am in the kitchen. I am in the kitchen. So in place of yahan, you're going to say kitchen. Right? मैं kitchen में हूँ. मैं kitchen में हूँ. I am in the kitchen. मैं kitchen में हूँ. But when you are saying I'm here, then you are going to say मैं यहाँ हूँ. Alright, now let's repeat one more time. Where are you? आप कहाँ हो? I'm here. मैं यहाँ हूँ. मैं यहाँ हूँ. और मैं किचन में हूँ. मैं स्कूल में हूँ. मैं कमरे में हूँ. I am in the kitchen. I am in school. I am in the room. Alright? Listen to me. Listen to me. And in Urdu it is मेरी बात सुनो. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो. It's a heart. A heart. In English we say heart. In Urdu, dil. Dil. In English, heart. In Urdu, dil. Dil. Alright? See you again फिर मिलेंगे, see you again, फिर मिलेंगे. This is the end of the lesson. I will meet with you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, watch this lesson again, repeat many times for better practice. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.